Polymer Matt Varnish, MM6. How do you use it? What does it do? The polymer varnishes are acrylic varnishes. They are permanent, they are archival, they won't yellow, they will remain flexible. The polymer varnishes and medium are one of the most versatile mediums that you could buy. If you're gluing paper to paper, maybe try the polymer matte varnish because you won't get the sheen that obviously you will with the gloss. You can use the polymer varnishes for photo image transfer, for sizing for gold leaf. There are a multitude of different things you can use the polymer varnishes for. And when varnishing with the polymer varnishes, with the satin or the matte, I would advise at least 3 coats, if not more, to make sure you have that even sheen all the way across the work. As you build those coats up though, you will reach the critical level you need and that will even the sheen out.